Alright, y'all, I gotta do, you know I'm in track mode, so I gotta do this. I gotta at least hit 120 on the highway. At least hit 120 for my first POV drive, so let's see if we can pull this off without getting pulled over. Hold on. Alright, what's up, y'all? It's Lord Shift, and we're back at it with another video. Today I decided to make a video on a POV drive with the Dodge Charger RT. I'm gonna do some crazy pulls, downshifts. The car is straight pipe, nothing else done to the car. I do have the Z Automotive Taser installed, so I get track mode, sport mode, custom, and etc. So I'm gonna do 5 minutes of the video, 5 to 7 minutes of me in street, which is like stock of the RT, like just regular mode. And then we're gonna do 5 to 7 minutes in track mode. So I'll show you guys how that sounds. You'll see like how the RPMs go up. And yeah, let's get straight to it. I'm also trying not to do too much talking while you guys, enjoy the video. But if you are watching right now, please stay tuned until the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah. By the way, guys, I am in street mode. I'm not in track mode yet. The windows are up as well, so it's not as loud. Alright guys, I'm gonna put the windows down a little bit so you guys can hear it a little better. Hopefully it's not too much of the wind sound, but yeah. Once again, I appreciate all you guys for tuning in. Please make sure you guys tune in to the end of the video. And like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna try to use the paddle shifters now. That was just me in automatic. Do some downshifts and stuff so you guys can hear it. You have a G30, what is that, a 35?
Yeah.
Trying to race me right now. On 3. Let me go to, all right, this is street mode. This isn't track, by the way. Good runs, my boy. Got this car in front of me though. Can't even do nothing. Ask him, hold on. I'm about to see if we're going on the highway. I wanna run it real quick. Alright. Or just follow me. Alright guys, we're gonna go into track mode now. I'm not gonna use the paddle shifters yet. Just an automatic track mode for my boys with the Z Automotive Taser. Make sure you guys hear this under the tunnel. We're about to hit the highway right now, guys. Track mode, highway runs. I have a G35 behind me. He wants to run it real quick, so. On 3. On 3. On 3!
Yo, my mic jaw fell off.
That is? Yeah. Good runs, my boy. Shout out to this G35 owner. Great runs. All right, guys, I'm gonna use the paddle shifters now. Too hard. Once again, great runs to that G35 owner. Drove on a median a little bit. right, yo, I gotta do, you know I'm in track mode, so I gotta do this. I gotta at least hit 120 on the highway. At least hit 120. I can't like not do that in track mode for my first POV drive, so let's see if we can pull this off without getting pulled over. I will be dropping another POV drive video in the daytime. Just, you know, turn on post notifications. Stay tuned. And yeah, I appreciate all you guys, you know, for watching my stuff, supporting me through this journey. So let's hit 120. What was that, 125? Got a lot of traffic in front of me. That was like an easy $50 worth of gas right there. But it's cool though. It's for you guys. So paddle shifters on the highway. Third gear. Fourth gear. I don't know what it is, but I can also hear like a little whine. I don't know if you guys can hear it through the video. I'm not gassing it, but if you can hear it, let me know. But I swear I hear a little whine whenever I downshift or do like pulls and stuff. I'm gonna try it one more time, see if you guys can hear it. Nah, I didn't hear it that time. Soon I'll be in a Hellcat. In my next video, or my next couple, whenever I do the next POV drive, I'm also gonna try to go to a tunnel. Once again, sorry if I'm a bit shaky. Just cold as hell outside. Plus, I'm lowered, so I hit every bump. All right, guys, we're gonna do track mode. We're gonna use the manual mode, paddle shifters. Through the city, so I'll show you guys how that sounds real quick. We're in third gear, downshift. This joint pulling, yo. Trying to tell y'all, the RT pulls. Maybe not as much as the Scat or the Hellcat, obviously, but don't get it twisted. This RT pulls. Bust a little U-turn real quick. Back to automatic. try not to go too crazy because the potholes and stuff are in the city, so it's a lot of potholes. All right, it's cold as hell, so I'm gonna put the window up. Get a little launch in for y'all. Nice little pool. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for any more videos that might drop. Turn on post notifications. And yeah.